We passed 100 subscribers on the ECOstruder YouTube channel. 100. Hello again, all you beautiful internet people. It is me, Brandon Hart, the ECOstruder, and something amazing has happened. We hit 1,000 subscribers to the ECOstruder YouTube channel. Wow, thank you so much. It is mind-blowing that we got to this point. We just did a video, I did a video a while ago, it wasn't that long ago, celebrating getting to 100 subscribers. So I love that we have been able to kind of keep this going. Everybody's hitting the subscribe button, which I really, really appreciate. So what about going forward? What are we gonna do now? Well, we're certainly not gonna stop the content. In 2022, we're gonna keep making videos. We're gonna explore different topics. We're gonna really focus on eco-friendliness. For example, biodegradable materials, PLA, PHA. What the heck is PHA? Is it worth looking into? We'll talk about it. You know, things like PLA that claims to be impact resistant. PLA is brittle, right? How can it be impact resistant? Well, we'll find out. Also, we're going to talk about the printers. So we always have thoughts from the heart, talking about different printers, what's worth your money, what makes sense as a machine, what you're going to be most successful with, that sort of thing. So we're not going to stop doing that either. We've got some thoughts from that coming up as well. But I don't want to understate how grateful I am to everybody for hitting that subscribe button and getting us to quad digits on the subscriber account. That is just super amazing. So with that, if you're not one of the people who hit that button and got us to 1,000, don't worry, you could still be one of the people that gets us to 5,000. Just look down below for that subscribe button, hit the bell, make sure you don't miss any future videos like the ones we talked about. And with that, I just really want to say thank you. If you have any questions, put those in the comments down below. Any comments that you want to leave there, of course, we will get back to you on. And shoot us an email, ecostruder@heartsmartproducts.com. And with that, have a happy 2022. See you soon.